contribution to IIMT during your stay here. May I now invite Dr. Vinnie Jory, Director IIMT, to please deliver a welcome address. Dr. Vinnie Jory has been associated with IIMT since its inception in 2000 in various capacities. She is currently responsible for overall strategic growth of IIMT and thought leadership. A passionate researcher and the founding editor of Journal of Services Research and Journal of Technology Management for Growing Economy, she has authored 8 books and has over 150 publications. Dr. Vinnie Jory.
Professor Chris Cooper, Pro Vice Chancellor and Dean Business School, Oxford Brookes University, Dr. Ramesh Kapoor, Chairman and Managing Director, Hotel Radisson Blu Plaza, Mr. K.B. Kachru, Executive Vice President, South Asia, Carlson Hotels, Mr. Nitin Kapoor, Managing Director, Radisson Varanasi, Mr. Amit Kapoor, Promoter, IIMT, distinguished colleagues from Oxford Brookes University, IIMT, guests, parents, and students. It's a very special day for us today. IIMT is proud to host the second convocation ceremony and to see the 10th batch graduating for the hospitality school and 8th batch graduating for the business program. The partnership with Oxford Brookes University has matured and strengthened over the last 13 years. The partnership has been very special for IIMT on account of support in developing the programs, offering the state-of-art curriculum, and also investments in developing faculty at IIMT to teach in higher education. Last year, the second round of certificate for teaching in higher education was concluded for over a dozen faculty receiving the certificates at IIMT. IIMT has a culture where each student is very special and we work with them to unfold a career path for them, facilitating and mentoring them to discover their talents and build upon their strengths. For us at IIMT, we subscribe to the philosophy as put up by Plutarch very aptly: the mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. The effort has been to encourage the students to excel and build up their analytical skills, critical thinking, and work closely with the industry. Employability for every student has been a key mantra at IIMT. For every student, the approach has been to build up their competencies which are valued at the workplace and in real life. Building up soft skills, grooming, fine dining etiquettes, behavioral training has all been a part of integrated mentoring of the students. As the Dalai Lama says, when educating the minds of our youth, we must not forget to educate their hearts. As you graduate, and many of you have already begun your work life already, I would suggest that you ponder over some of the following questions. The first one being, how will I be sure that I will be happy in my career? The second question for you to think about is, how can I use my relationships with my family and possibly with my spouse in coming years to be an eternal source of happiness? And thirdly, how can I be sure that I continue to live my life with a sense of integrity and stay away from legal hassles? As you move on to spread your wings and lead a more independent and busy life, I would like to share some inspiring thoughts from Professor Clayton Christensen, who is a leading professor at University of Harvard Business School. The first thought being, allocate your resources wisely. People who have been driven to excel have unconsciously have a propensity to underinvest in their families and overinvest in their careers, even though the intimate and loving family relationships are the most powerful and most enduring sources of happiness. Work-life balance and taking out time for the family is one of the most enduring sources of happiness in life. Second is to create a family culture. Just like we create a culture in the corporate world, there is a need to create a culture at home where hard work is cherished and opportunities for exercising choices is given. And avoid this one syndrome. It is easier to hold on to your principles 100% of the time than to hold on to them 98% of the time. If you give in based on marginal cost analysis, you will regret where you will end up. You've got to define for yourself what you stand for in life and draw the line in a safe place. And remember to be humble. You can be humble only if you feel good about yourself and want to help others around you feel good, and choose the right yardstick. Don't worry about the level of individual prominence that you have achieved. You should worry about the individuals that you have helped become better people in life. Think about the metric by which your life will be judged and make a resolution to live every day so that in the end of your life would be judged as a success. I would also like to share with you some of the achievements over the last 1 year at IIMT. It's been a year of many firsts at IIMT. We started off our first student festival celebrations where students across all disciplines came together and put forward a wonderful cultural program with plays. A musical play on Chanakya was performed with spiritual dances and singing. And the Dean Student Welfare played an important role to make this happen. New international placement and internship opportunities opened up in new destinations such as Singapore, Malaysia, Abu Dhabi, and Dubai, both for management and hospitality students. The 2-year postgraduate programs got validated across 5 specializations earlier this year. Also, I would like to share that the International Services Conference has 2 more international partners other than Oxford Brookes University. One is Institute of Tourism Studies at Macau and Virginia Tech University at US. So our next round of conference will be scheduled in Cyprus in June 2013, in Macau in 2014, and in Washington in 2015. The teaching team has expanded and we have now about 20 PhDs with about 7 people also pursuing their PhDs. Our research plans have been instituted for every faculty in the institute, and many of them have prolific publications in both international journals as well as leading conferences at IITs and IIMs as well. And many of them have got recognition earlier this year. The faculty has been invited to speak in international prestigious forums, and also there have been definite steps to build up and strengthen the industry interface. We have a strategic partnership with IHS today, with IMT becoming the academic partner. Also, Western, part of the Starwood brand, has opened up doors for faculty sabbaticals in December. There have also been visits by foreign universities, and many foreign universities are coming with their students and are going to undergo short programs at IMT as well. There have been more than 50 industry speakers who have visited IIMT and have shared their expertise. So I hope that in the coming years, many new milestones will be created, and I wish you all having successful careers and a very happy future ahead. Thank you.